Hey everyone, today I'm creating a 3D resin bloom like the one you're seeing on screen, but in different colors. I had such a good response from the last bloom, that green bloom that I did, because people were asking so many questions, so I thought I'd do it step by step. So in this one I'm going to do the same, but in just two colors, different colors. And it's all the same steps that I did in the last one, except this one I won't talk too much. You can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm preparing my white. I've poured it out from the same glass. The resin is running at 35 degrees. I normally work between 32 and 35. As you can see, I'm using a very thick resin, and it's quite thick. It's a 4-hour fast cure resin, and so when you mix it on a cooler day, it's got a lot of bubbles, so hopefully the bubbles don't come through. So I'm just preparing the base. I'll use my heat gun to just warm the resin a little and try to get rid of some of those micro bubbles that appear in thick resin. So now that my base is prepared and heated up a little, I put in my first color, which is the Let's Resin Red. So I'll put that everywhere, and they're spreading nicely. Normally they don't spread as much because they're pretty concentrated. It's only because the surface of the resin is a little bit hot I use the heat gun. And now I'm putting orange in the middle. So while the inks are working, I prepare the white, and then I'll go ahead and I'll put it into my piping bag, and then I'll pour the petals. So everything you see is happening in real time. So I'm going to leave it here. You sit back, relax, and enjoy the process. Talk to you on the end molding.